Yes. Alright, let's go. Ooh. All traffic.
Or if we allow the infringement of any right. Because any infringement puts us on a course that leads to tyranny.
Peace merge. Merge. Merge mode.
Stay the course of freedom. Washington warned us about Big Government when he said government is not reason. It is not alibi. It is force. A trust servant and a fearful master. Never for a moment should it be left to irresponsible persons. So how then are we as Americans to avoid the fate that other countries have suffered? That they no longer recognize. Those tyrants are only as successful. It is such that they could depend on a worn down, open intimidation, never become peaceful, and be only strong and courageous. Thomas Jefferson said when the people fear their government, there's tyranny. You and I know that the only acceptable, legitimate plan of government requires that the authority of that government to depend on the consent of the people. And some in D.C. have become larger than the office that they hold. I mean, did you ever think that we were going to once again be under the oppressive hand of a tyrant? Yet here we are, and I mean government as a whole. You know, and this time, what's really weird is that hand of a tyrant isn't stretched out across an ocean to subdue us, but from within our own borders. When our founding fathers sought to liberate themselves, it wasn't just an absolute sovereign in the form of a monarchy that they recognized as an oppressor. They understood that their liberties were equally at risk at the hands of any oppressor. It was the belief of the colonists that they were an integral part of God's plan for this new world. They believed that it is God and God alone who is the author of our liberty. Not man, just God. That conviction ultimately led to persuade many that independence from England was necessary if they were to preserve that God-given gift. So here we are, 2023, and once again, we find we must make a case
A little
for
light.
independence from a machine in D.C. that is even more powerful than a monarch across the ocean.
What are you doing? You have a clamper?
It's like the ominous cloud
What is that?
approaching storm.
Poison.
On our horizon.
Because you're dirty. You want to open it up and pop up the hood and we can? Yeah. We're doing stuff.
I think you dropped your tablet yesterday, so I'm not really interested in that today because you've been told and told and you're still doing it. So.
Yeah.